Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync YouTube channel to your Odyssey.com. Odyssey.com is a new video site that CEO Jeremy Kufman said was created to capture some of the freedom and independence of the internet he grew up with. This site was created by the team behind the library blockchain protocol. So let me access the website. Here's how Odyssey homepage looks like. On the left side, you will see video categories, and on the top right is your library token balance. Please remember, do the syncing on your computer and it's not yet possible to do it on your mobile device. To sync your YouTube channel to Odyssey, tap on Apple button and select on sync YouTube channel. Here you will see the list of channels that you are already synced. To add, just tap on this add another channel. Sync your YouTube channel and get your YouTube videos in front of Odyssey audience. Here you input your YouTube channel username. Agree that you want to sync your content to Odyssey and the library network and agree to the terms and conditions. Once decided, tap on claim. Then choose your YouTube channel email account. Then allow library creator verification access. And you may be wondering if it's safe to link your YouTube channel to Odyssey. To answer your doubts, yes, it's very safe. They only mirror your videos on YouTube, and as long as it's your original content, you should be alright. This is another way to earn your videos in cryptocurrencies. So alright, it's syncing. Please check back later. This may take up to 1 week later. So once the syncing is finished, you can click on your profile and select channels. Here you will see the channels that you have been synced and you can preview. Right now I'll get 0.73 library tokens per view. To check your view counts, go to Analytics. Here you will see your channel performance. To see your rewards, go to Wallet or click your balance. Here you will see your total earnings, the balance that you can immediately withdraw, and the lock library tokens that are boosting your contents. And below you will see the history of your earnings. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.